Hi Teddies, it's your island doll Winnie, also known as Eyebrow Brian, and I am back with another video. Okay guys, yes, it's been a minute since you've seen my mug. It's been a while, but I have a video coming out explaining all of that. But we're gonna focus on what this video is about. But before I do, let me just say, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Teddies. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Before you do anything, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date on everything new that I'm gonna have posted. You can follow me on social medias. The links will be below, but it's basically Island Doll, island._doll on Instagram, TikTok, and whatever. But what this video is about. So this is going to be a beginner's friendly, and I don't mean beginner like you know how to do something but you need to tune it up. No, I'm talking about beginner to basics for makeup, eyebrows, keeping it simple. Now I am by no means a beauty guru. Let me just put the disclaimer out there. So if you are, this is not for you, boo-boo, you know. But I, for some reason, have been getting complimented on how I do my eyebrows and stuff like that, and I'm like, you should put a video out to prevent any more eagle wings or broken eagle wing looking eyebrows. The Hollis sign, my husband calls it. I've even heard box cutters where the eyebrows look like boxes and they come down. The Angry Birds, yeah, this, no. So this is a beginner friendly one. I'm still figuring makeup out for myself, but as I figure it out, I'm gonna help you figure it out. But before I get into this, let me drop this inspirational quote for the day, the motivational quote, because as you know, my channel is about motivating, uplifting, inspiring. My motto, be yourself unapologetically, be you unapologetically. And I'm gonna drop it right now and we can go straight into the tutorial. So let's get into this. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna wanna grab your spoolie. Now your spoolie is basically the wand that will come inside a mascara, and that would help you to bring volume to your eyelashes. A spoolie is also made into a makeup brush as well. It comes in a makeup kit that you can use, but again, if you don't have a makeup kit, if you don't have a spoolie available separately, you can take your old mascara, this was a blue one, and you can just clean it out thoroughly. If it's finished, this was a blue one like I said, and use the wand. So this is, the tip is basically the spoolie part. So we're gonna use this and I'm gonna show you the step, all right? Okay, so I'm coming in a little closer to show you this. So this is my eyebrow right here. How it's irregular is, I haven't done anything to it yet. And you're basically just taking it and brushing it up. Okay. Okay, so for step 2, you're gonna use whatever you're gonna use to draw your eyebrows. Some persons use the eyebrow dye or what's not to do theirs, but again, I'm doing this beginner friendly, so you're gonna grab your eyebrow pencil in the shade of your eyebrow hair, people. If you don't have jet black eyebrows, don't use jet black pencil. Like I'm using a brown, dark brown, okay? So that's what you're gonna do. And I follow the outline of my eyebrow bone basically. So this is one point here. I'll go up. This is the second point here. You can see the arch shape, and I'm gonna bring it down, and this is the next point here. So let's get into this. Okay, so I know I look mad crazy right now, but bear with me. So again, I took the pencil. I went from one point to my arch and right down. Again with the next side. They're not filled in as yet. I just want to show you the outline of it. And we're gonna fill them in. Again, you can use the ink dye, but I'm using the pencil. Again, it's gonna look mad crazy at first, but you're gonna see the results of it. Okay, so the next step that's gonna put you over the top, that's gonna clean up this arrangement you've made with your eyebrows, is concealer. And let me tell you, I had a best friend at the time that had to school me on how important this step was, because believe it or not, she used to walk around like this, and even though I thought I was popping, I thought I was saying something, but no. This little bad boy is a lot. So you're gonna need an angled brush, or any flat end brush that you need, and you're gonna clean up your eyebrows. This right here makes you look professional, makes you look top notch. You hear me? Like, this make you the top shelf liquor. You know how they say the bottom shelf is cheap, the top shelf is expensive? Yeah, we're going to the top shelf, okay? That's what we need to be. So you're gonna take this and you're going to clean up the outside line of your brow that you drew. So let's do that. All right? Okay. All right. So if I'm looking to the side, it's because I'm looking in the mirror that's directly right here to make sure I'm doing this correctly and not jacking this up, trying to show you what to do, which doesn't make any sense. So this is the concealer I'm using. And again, for beginners, if you can get concealers and all of that stuff, here's what I used to do. I used to use Black Opal and Beautiful Bronze from foundation stick for my complexion, and I would just use that and clean it up. It works, trust me, you'll thank me. Yeah, but we're gonna use this and just go ahead. So you're just gonna take a little bit of it. You don't need much. You can actually clean some off. I have to get used to looking at this camera, please. And we're gonna go along the outside here. So let me start this out. Okay. And again, you're following that line and right down. So you can already see the difference between this and this. It's more defined. You can see the difference. And you're doing the same thing along the top. So I'm gonna do this to both and get back to you. Okay, so I just outlined this eyebrow as well as this one here. Again, you can clearly see the difference, but we're not done yet. So you're gonna take this same brush with its leftover on it of your concealer or foundation, whatever you're using, and you're just gonna go out the leftover there and drag it up. You're gonna blend it into your skin. Okay? So let's do that. Okay, Teddy, so this is the last step, which is optional, but this is how I do my brows. And in my opinion, it makes it look more clean and pops more. So you're gonna need setting or contour powder. I got this one from Shop Missy as a gift. And this is the shade I'm going to be using, dabbing it and putting it along the concealer I drew to the bottom. So let me do that and get to you guys. All right, so I did this side already and you can clearly see it looks more clean than the next side. Even to the end, it looks non-harsh. It doesn't look as harsh as this one. So I'm gonna do this one and let you see the full effect. Okay guys, so that's it. This is your full effect of it right here. This is your beginner's friendly way to do your eyebrows. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. Remember to be you unapologetically.